In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template in Clickup for 2025. Whether you're just starting out with Clickup or looking to streamline your workflow, creating and using templates can save you a lot of time and effort. Let's dive in and I'll guide you step by step through this process. First, we want to open up Clickup, the comprehensive work management app. You can easily access it by going to their website. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the login button. This will take you to the login page where you should see an option to sign in using your Google account. For those of you who find it easier, this option speeds up the process and integrates seamlessly with your existing accounts. Simply click on sign in with Google and you'll be prompted to select your account from a list. Choose your account and you'll be automatically logged into Clickup. Now once you're in the dashboard, you'll need to select the list where you'd like to create the template. Look for the three dots, usually referred to as the More Actions menu. By clicking on these dots, you'll reveal additional options related to that list. Among these options, you'll find one labeled Templates. Clicking on Templates will present you with several choices, depending on what you want to incorporate into your workflow. In this instance, you'll want to choose Save as Template. This option allows you to create a reusable template from the current list setup, which can be particularly useful for tasks or projects you handle frequently. Now it's time to get creative by naming your template. Try to choose a name that's clear and indicative of the template's purpose or the type of tasks it covers. This will help you easily locate the template the next time you need to use it. Lastly, you'll want to ensure your hard work is not lost. Look for the Save Template button and give it a click. Your template is now saved in Clickup, ready to be used whenever you need it. You've just made your workflow more efficient, as you can apply this template to any similar projects or tasks in the future. So, there you have it. We've successfully navigated through creating a template in Clickup. This simple process can drastically improve how you manage repetitive tasks and projects. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you feel more empowered to explore further features in Clickup. As always, thanks for joining me today and stay tuned for more tips and tutorials. Until next time.